morning children. Today's subject is science. Today we will going to see the lesson number 10, that is force and types of force. Last period we have completed the lesson number 10, that is motion and types of motion. Today we are going to see the chapter number 10, that is force and types of force. Here some pictures are given, so observe it carefully. See that man is there sitting in a boat. Then next one, pressing of a sponge. Then rod is there, bending of rod. Then moving bullock cart. That boy is there playing with tire. Again another boy is there playing with ball. Okay, so these examples are there given. Now we have to observe it. Okay, which thing is common in that, what is there, what happened in that, because of that we have to find out. Now here they ask some question, so let's discuss with that. So what is the first question? Will a boat move ahead unless pushed with the help of an oar? Now that man having no oar, okay, to push the water, yes, to push the water backside, he using the oar. Now what is the question? Will a boat move ahead unless he pushed? Yes, so without pushing the water, is it the boat will move front? Yes, is it possible? No. So to move ahead, that man need, with the help of an oar, he have to push it. Then and then only that boat will move ahead. Second one, pressing of sponge. Then so for pressing the sponge, he is using finger. Yes or no? Then if we want to bend the rod, then with the help of hand we need to bend it. Then second question, see what it is. Who exert force to move a bullock cart forward? Who exert force? Yes, because of whom the bullock cart move forward? Yes, because of who the bullock cart move forward? Yes, because of whom? So an ox exerts force to move a bullock cart forward. Yes, ox apply the force to move the bullock cart. See the third question. What makes the ball move during a game of football? How does the direction changes? What makes the ball? What makes the ball? So how that ball move? Because of which thing? And how does their direction changes? As that boy kicking a ball, yes or no? After kicking only the ball will move, and because of that only their direction will change. Then fourth question, see, will the wheel go forward if it is not pushed with a stick? If simply that wheel is there and he is not using a stick, or what, if he is not doing anything, so is it possible to move forward that wheel? No. When he is pushing with a stick, then and then only the tire will move forward. So this is the some examples are given. Now here in that examples, one thing is common, that we have to apply force. Each and every examples we need to apply some force. Then and then only this action is possible. Yes or no? Each and every actions we need to apply force. In our day-to-day life also, we do many actions. Yes, such as lifting, pulling, riding a bicycle, or stopping some things, or walking, sitting, then pushing a load, or lifting anything, squeezing, bending, or applying whatever maybe we are doing in day-to-day life actions. So each and every actions need to apply some force. Yes, then and then only it need that actions will happen. Without force, this action will not happen. So force is applied to an object to pull it or push it in any manner. So we need to apply force to an object to pull it or to push it in any manner, means in any direction, but we need to apply some force. Then and then only this action is possible. Now no object changes its direction, its position on its own. Yes, whatever may be the objects, it cannot change of its own. We have to change it. By how much? By applying force. By how? By applying force. So force is required to move an object. Yes, to change their place also. As to move the object from one place to another, we need to apply force. Force is used to change the direction of an object in motion or to stop it also. Yes, if moving object is there, to stop that object also we need to apply some force. Then and then only this happen. So for changing the direction and for moving the place, we need to apply force. Now see here some questions are they ask. Can you tell what happens when you hold the two ends of a spring and pull them apart? Spring, everyone knows the spring, or rubber band. You can take rubber band also. When you pull it to the two ends of a spring, then what will happen? Yes, if now you are having the rubber band, you can do it by just you have to take two ends of a rubber band and pull it apart. What will happen? It get stretched. Yes or no? Yes, no. The spring or rubber band get stretched. Their length will increase. Now second question, what happens when a blacksmith hammers a red hot piece of iron? Blacksmith, everyone know, using that iron, working on iron things. Then when he hammer, what happen when the blacksmith hammer a red hot piece of iron? First he hit the piece of iron and then it hammer it. What will happen? After hammering, their size will increase. Yes, the size or length of that object will increase. Yes or no? So for what we conclude from these examples, force is necessary to change the shape of an object. So after hammering on that object, their shape will change, their size will change. Yes or no? After pulling that rubber band or spring, their shape will change. So for changing the shape of an object, we need to apply force. So whatever may be the actions or things happen in our day-to-day life, so without force it cannot possible. Understood everyone? So force is very important to happen any action. So this is all about the today's parts. I think everyone have understood about the force and for which things we need the force. So everyone read out the lesson. For your better understanding, read out the lesson properly and underline the new words in your textbook only. Learn and underline the new words in your textbook only. Okay, thank you.